Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a dynamic structure by conceptual mass in Revit. What is Revit architecture? Autodesk Revit architecture is designed to support the building information modeling. Revit architecture is basically used by design engineer, structure engineer, building engineer, infrastructure engineer, 3D modeler and master plan. What can be done in Revit? Planning, exterior and interior designing, family creation, conceptual designing, rendering and walkthroughs, scheduling and quantity estimation and documentations. Here we can see the render view and some exterior view. Let's try rosebud structure in conceptual mass in Revit. Here, first of all, I am create a plan in AutoCAD software. Now we have to import the file in Revit software. Move the plan in center. Export the geometry. Go to elevation and create some elevation levels for the structure of offset height 10 feet. I am going to take here 11 levels. So all of the levels are visible in project browser. Go through level 1. Now go to massing and site and click on in place massing by selecting the outer line by using pick line command. You have to create a geometry like this. Now we have to copy the same geometry of level 1 to copy in level 4, level 7, and level 11. So, one by one customize the geometry according to requirement and rotate the geometry in 45 degree in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction as per the structure. Select all of them, go to Create Form, and Solid Form. Go to 3D. You can see that we are complete the massing structure. Now, for the finishing purpose, we have to create some wall and curtain walls to the surface of the structure. Click one by one all walls. So like this the structure is formed. Now I am going to create ground floor geometry. So one by one create the circle and form the geometry like this. Like this, you have to create the geometry, show on your screen. Now select the closed boundary and click on Create Form, Solid Form. Now we have to give some mullions to the curtain wall. Then give the material to the structure and floor according to your requirement. we are going through render. I am selecting a background image for the rendering view purpose. Okay. Do all the settings. Okay. So like this, we are creating a wonderful rosebud structure. Have you seen building like this? So, massing and Revit is the subject for today. Just go through Revit. Thank you.